No problem. Dragneel. My dream is to become a rad tech. Hi, hello. Kapil Pandit Shawi. How old are you? Rad tech. Radiologic technology. Radiologic technology. Wow, congratulations. Good to know. Corona Shawi. Nash. What kind of beast? Good luck.
I am healthy.
Hi Nash. Good luck. Patient.
Ah, mabait pala to si Brother Higgs.
Yeah, bait siya.
Good job, brother. You're so kind. Naway, naway pagpalain ka pa ng maraming blessing.
English.
Yeah. Kaya nga, brother, are you English, bro? You're not Pinoy? Like solo life ang engine. Sorry about the nosebleeds. Ah, your nose is bleeding.
Ah,
So it means you don't understand Tagalog, bro? Are you
okay lang
really
yan.
pure American? No, sorry. Okay,
Yan,
that's
yan.
okay, bro. Don't worry, my friend. Mm. Ah, yeah, brother. So you don't understand Tagalog?
Few word
Ah,
lang
you
daw.
know few
Konti.
words, few words. Okay. Brother, can you follow
Like
back me,
what?
brother? The Filipino people are really
Yeah.
friendly.
You're
Yes, brother.
right.
You're right, bro. You're right.